Welcome to Firefox for the Adept. In this episode, Mastering Bookmarks. I'm Chris Lott, chris@chrislott.org. Enjoy. Bookmark tags provide a quick way to get to a section of your bookmarks without browsing through the Bookmarks menu or the Organize Bookmarks window. Applying bookmark tags is easy. Simply bookmark the site, which you can use using the simple star in the location bar or the Bookmarks menu, and then edit the bookmark to add the tag. In this case, I'm going to use the search tag. I'm going to do this for the 3 different sites that I want to tag search. As you can see, Google, Bing, and the Creative Commons search. The advantage of applying bookmark tags is that I can now access them efficiently in a couple of different ways. I could use the Bookmarks menu and browse to the tag, but the more efficient way is to use the Wonder Bar. So at any time, regardless of what site I happen to be on, I can quickly access my search tags by simply typing that tag in the location bar. And you'll notice that those bookmarks come up even if they don't say search in the title, because the Wonder Bar first shows those appropriate tags. Another useful feature to use bookmarks more efficiently is to use bookmark keywords for sites that you access frequently. So here I am on metafilter.com. This is a site that I use regularly, so I'm going to bookmark it and add a bookmark keyword for quick access. So I add the bookmark as normal, and then I need to edit that bookmark using the Show All Bookmarks menu and find the bookmark that I just made, which is the metafilter bookmark. And you'll notice that there's an expansion here below the tags window, which we've just used a little bit ago, where I can put a keyword. So I'm going to use the keyword MF, very simple. And again, no matter where I happen to be, if I want to go to metafilter.com, I simply go to the Wonder Bar, type MF, and it's going to pull that up using the bookmark keyword. No fuss, no muss. A somewhat more complicated feature, but one that will add greatly to your productivity, is the Bookmark Quick Search feature, which allows you to create a bookmark to easily access a search engine or a website search that you've used before. In this case, I'm going to create a bookmark quick search for the Bing search engine. The easy way to create this bookmark is to start by doing a search in the engine or site search of your choice. So I'm going to search for the term Alaska. Then I want to bookmark this particular search. So I bookmark this page as we've done before. Now the more complicated part comes in, because we need to modify this bookmark to accept whatever query we want to do in the future. So we're going to show all bookmarks, as we've done before, find the Bing bookmark, and look at it more closely. Now you'll see in here this long URL for the bookmark that we made, but the important feature is where we see the keyword that we used before, which was Alaska. Simply replace that keyword with a %S, the percent sign followed by S, lowercase. Having modified the location itself, we need to do 2 more things to make this useful. One, we need to make this a little more generic, since we're not going to be searching for Alaska, but for whatever we've chosen. And then we want to go ahead and give it a keyword, as we saw earlier. In this case, I'm going to call it B. What this does is create a shortcut by which I can access Bing very simply. So let me go back to another site, so I'm not on the Bing engine, just so you can see the magic happen. And now if I type B space followed by anything, it searches Bing for that particular set of keywords. Now in the Firefox browser, you can already do this with some built-in search engines, so this is a little bit repetitive, but since you can do this for any site or search that you can find, or almost any, this allows you to customize it very closely to your needs. Smart folders of bookmarks, or saved bookmark searches, are very useful when you're trying to gather a bunch of information rather quickly, which you can then sort and refine later. The way this works is you create a smart search for a particular term, and then the smart folder automatically grabs together every bookmark that has that term, as well as any future that you might make. It's easier to show than it is to explain. So you can see here that if I show all my bookmarks and I do a search through those bookmarks for the term monkey, you'll find that I have 3 different entries of bookmarks that I've made before. If I save this search and give it a name, it creates a smart folder or a saved search for monkey bookmarks. If I browse around and find other pages, such as this page for the primates, and scroll down and I see the primates monkeys, and I look at this site and I think, well, this site is useful to add, then when I bookmark it, it will automatically go into that bookmark folder because it has the keyword monkey in it. And every page that I bookmark that has that term is going to automatically show up there. Now, if it doesn't show because that term isn't there, I can use the tag feature as we've seen before. So orangutan doesn't necessarily have the term monkey in it. So when I bookmark it, I can put the tag monkey, as we've previously done, and it will then show up in that same folder regardless of whether the term exists on the page or not. Thanks for watching this edition of Firefox for the Adept. If you have comments or questions, I'm happy to hear them. My name is Chris Lott. I'm at chris@chrislott.org or at LottRuminates on Twitter.